Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to get a verification code from Microsoft Authenticator, perfect when you are logging into factors authentication. First of all, simply download the Microsoft Authenticator from the Play Store or App Store and simply log into your account. After you have logged into your account, simply open your Authenticator app. After opening, you will see your account listed there. You can add from here. You can add your personal account, work or school account, or other Google or Facebook account. After adding your account, simply click on that account. After clicking here, that code in your one-time OTP, it refreshes automatically every 30 seconds. This is the 6-digit code. When prompted during log, enter the current 6-digit code shown in the app. As you can see here is the timer. It refreshes every 30 seconds. You don't need an internet connection to get the code. It works completely offline. And that's how you get a verification code from the Microsoft Authenticator. Quick, secure, and works anytime. If this helps, give it a thumbs up and make sure to like this video, and see you in the next one.